Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is pupunta kami sa SM dahil ang asawa ko ay matagal nang gustong kumain ng kanilang food. So may nakita nga kami ditong Mr. Kebab. So they offer Iranian cuisine, which is they have mixed platter, kebab, chicken kebab, lamb kebab, beef kebab, and their rice also is basmati, and they have sandwich. So ito yung kanilang interior design. Simple lang, pero meron ka pa rin makikitang Iranian style. So yan, namimili na kami. So meron silang mixed platter, appetizer, chicken, beef, lamb. So yan, matagal na nga niyang gustong kumain ng food nila mula nung dumating kami dito sa Pilipinas. So ito na nga in-order namin, Shirazi salad. Sa appetizer, yung mix. And this is my daughter trying na magustuhan yung food. Pero hindi niya talaga nagustuhan. Bago sa panlasa niya. So yan ang asawa ko lagi enjoy. Ito na yung logme and kebab chicken and chicken tikka. So ito na yung bill namin. So not bad. Yan. So craving satisfied naman. So kung babalik kami, yes, of course. So see you on my next video. Bye!